Hey everyone, Tom here from Tech Nexus, and welcome to Tuesday, the second video in our series of building up custom parts in Fusion 360, and then we're going to send them out to Plant3D cats and spec editor, put it in a library, and then use these parts inside Plant3D. Now, yesterday I did the main body of the valve, and today I'm just going to do this top half here. So there's in real life that would probably be mating flange. So I guess this would probably be the top part of the body, and then the possibly the operator might be connecting to it. So there's a couple ways of doing this, but I'm going to do it similar to what I did yesterday. Is just trace around it with a sketch, and then just revolve that around a particular axis. So just drawing the normal command. So I'm just going to do a line, come down, come across, down to the midpoint, and then do a line from the midpoint to here. And there we've got our sort of the details of this vertical shaft and these flanges. And I'm just going to turn some of these bits off, so I don't want to see these anymore. So we don't need that. So I'm just going to trim that. Oh, wrong one. What I might do is just delete that line and then place another one. And there we've got that enclosed region there, and I'm going to do the same thing to this one. Just sketch a line across from one to the other. So now I can stop the sketch and then do a revolution. So that's the profile. The axis is this vertical line here, and we're going to join it together with the other one. And now we've got sort of the more beginnings of our body here. So what's left? We've got this top handle up here as well. So if we switch on the top view, and I just turn the bodies off, so you can see here there's the round part. I guess this is the cylindrical rod that represents the top of the handle, and then we've got three arms coming out of that as well. So we just need to turn them off, and then I guess we could probably offset that as well, but I think we should have enough information here on our sketch to represent that. So let's again do a sketch and do it against this back face, and then I'm going to do the handle, so a circle, and then the center and the diameter, so from there up to there, and then stop the sketch. Let's see how we go with this. Can we do a revolution and see the axis? There we go. Okay, and then same thing with doing the other side. So I know if I do a measure on this, that is 22.504. So again, same thing, just do a sketch, and then come in here and do a circle, and then 20, let's say just 25 mil. Okay, stop the sketch. Let's see if we can extrude that and look at it from the top. And I want to bring it into here. And I don't want to cut, I just wanted to do it as a new body for now. Because what we're going to try and see if this is going to work is, can we pattern that? So the body, so that axis is there, and we have 3 of them, and then we go okay. Okay, so it looks like that's worked. Okay, and then last thing I'm going to have a look at today is this sort of bulb down the bottom here. Now I want to again create a sketch. Let's do it on the front view. But then what I want to do is I want to offset a plane down to this level here. Okay, and if I come up here and go in the distance, go measure, and it tells me it's negative 132.423. So 130 minus 132.423. And there's my plane. So now I want to create a sphere on that plane from this from that point, and then stretch it out. But then the diameter, I can go measure and click the arc, and it sort of aligns itself with that sketch. Now we're not going to cut, we just want to join, and we go okay. So now we have the beginnings of what is going to be our valve body. So I think I might leave it there for today, because tomorrow I want to get into doing, if I just turn that off, I want to get all these nuts and bolts, and again offsetting planes and putting them in the right spot, and then you get a better idea on what that valve is going to look like. So I might do the heads at the top, and then maybe push some bolts at the bottom just to make it look a little bit more realistic as well. And we might even have a go at doing bolt holes around here. Even though Plant doesn't need it, for visualization it might look a little bit nicer and a little bit more realistic. So thanks for watching. Thumbs up if you liked the video, thumbs down if you didn't, but please do subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for daily notifications of all of my videos, and I will see you tomorrow to finish this off and to export it out to DWG, and then the rest of the week we're going to put it into Plant3D into a catalog, put it into a spec, and then model around it and see how it looks in Plant3D. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.